पोतो लेपकनी अखोना अदुगी प्रोटेस्ट तौनिंगाई दरकार लेतेगा हाइबदुदि दैट इज रॉन्ग इज टोटली रॉन्ग सो अदुना खंगद्रकति अखोय ngang फै मरमदि खंगदना ngang लीडर्स मैम खंगदना ngang लीडर्स मैम जिन ngasiदी मणिपुर ब पुमतोय तोयरे कैनो blaming to the Congress party and knowing nothing. There is no the role of the Congress party and they are blaming to the Congress party. Congress party is sometime now. So it's a very unfortunate. Madu khangdana ngangbi genu adugumba honorable MLA BJP ki party migi national party migi leader oraga ngasai gi hekta kari gumba khara lamsam ngang bodo madu state tasu related oraktana ngasai gi state ki issue myam da pungang da ngang da ngasidi Manipur loire president rule. This is president rule. Popular government namadagi CLP leader mingoina tamjarabada oibo former minister and han badai kai khumnajari loinana respected our Matthew Anthony joint secretary AICC in charge of this Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Meghalaya, and also national spokesperson of AICC, and I'm so happy that he has given the statement on National Herald relating with the charge sheet of this false charge sheet of the ED sponsored by BJP, and today is very good that our AICC arranging 57 places of press conference across the nation, and Manipur is also one of the places that giving the press conference, and thank you for coming here and really welcome to the state of Manipur. Thank you, Matthew ji. And aigi oinadi ai mamang dasu akhoi gi Matthew Anthony na habikre adagi CLP leader former chief minister nasu thambikre aina tentakna thamjaningi badi aikoina nation asigi mafam kudimakta state kudimakta union territory kudimakta ED leiba central gi agency mayam singsigi mamangda protest sama AICC na tawe state kudimakta madugi matung nongnini leraga BJP Manipur Pradesh na aikoigi charge ama taure statement ama thoklei madu aikoina madu statement do BJP city mayam na aikoi khangi asidi laira akoigi laira bagi khandaba amasung praja gi khandaba issue mayam jingsi khandaba aduga makoi khara khaki khalaga hoji mayam da akoigi unfair means mayam ama sinarega lebak ngakwa ngasi mak Manipur da oriba fibam masi hoji makoida thambal sanglen da hairakhibedo masi politically makoida BJP na akoi Congress party amasung akoigi ED enforcement directorate na piriba charge sheet tawriba mayam singsi siga mari leina akoida amuk masi aranba ni akoina ED gi mamangda protest tawribasi court ta leina tawi adagi Supreme Court ta leiba case ni haibina chingba akoi gi basis leitaba Supreme Court ta su leitaba wafam mayam ama hairak pa haibidare aduna maybe akoi gi aina hobada honorable MLA lamlai AC amadi BJP gi leaders khara press conference ta ubudu de yawbo ui hauji hairiba aikoi gi Madam Sonia Gandhi ji amasung aikoi gi leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji da sarsi torokpase masidi yumpham yaudaba aduga aikoi gi party gi leader singda party se kihanba party ki activity tawhandaba opposition party ki mayam sing leiriba mayam akoi gi Congress party other opposition political party singda threaten tawba aduga aikoi gi politics of vendetta asigumba mayam intimidation tawba ni haidana aikoi hairibase political parties in the Kihalaga, Aikoisi activity to Hondava, democracy Madugi, one talk lehendava, Mayama, Koi Uri Manipurda, Zu Ahoy Uri, Basimangai, popular gold man, Namaleraga, Oidava Mayama, Hajenba, Adegi opposition pick Nalejava, Ako MLA Mangak Legend, Bada, Case Pansanba, Adegi, Tongan Charles Mayama Tauba, Sarkarna, BJP na Langakpa. Adegi, Laibaga say Mangan, Manamoina Mangan, Baduga, Congress, Sars Tauba. Laibaki, administration Hitraga, Adegi, Haising Badugi skill Latraga, Nasagi, Congress na Sarkar later was the Tainava. I know luxury wafum di. Tambal Sanglen the Tolapa statement do, Madu Yumpam Jaudava, Parzada, Lan Hizab statement Namani. Kudam di Supreme Court case Sathari, Tankun Manga High, Karamba Tanku Mangan was Ukangde, April Gitanku Mangara Megi Kumangara Zukangde, Supreme Court case later. There is no case pending in the Supreme Court. Ado Supreme Court Palle. Honorable MLA, Amasu BJP leader na, Madu Sule Late. Yes, Aran Bayumpam the best Torga Edina Sarsi Tauri, Hibadu Madi Kangi, Madugi, procedure dodum, Zatari Akoshu Tinagani. I could get singly the Celiba, I could get singly the I could get E. Celiba Makai, Congress party number to fight the Uni Hibasi. This is our stand. Aduwa Supreme Court case a 30 Hiba. There is no summon from the Supreme Court. There is no summon from the High Court. Such type of cases is no more, nowhere, nothing with the Supreme Court. Aduga Supreme Court laitaba case to Supreme Court tangkun mga delay madugi verdict laaga akoigi ED charge tawrisigi matang to apam laigani aduna madu yaudringai da akoigi enforcement directorate ki mamangda protest tawi kholi haiba adudi khangdana haibasidi aidi yamna a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Khangdana wangang bibadi being the MLA, being the leader of the political party without having any ideas. Adu gumba mayam jingsi aidi ngang haning de par khanga ngang biu. Hairiba aikoi leiba BJP ki masigi tawraiba attempt. Masidi aikoi na khange side haijal laga minamba mayam jina hayo. Masi India da 2014 dagi aduga state na 2017 dagi BJP lenga lakpasida thabak kaya pini haikre adagi naha kaya CM ni haikre promise kaya legi ngasi BJP ki agenda manifesto of the election karamba agenda karamba manifesto do yaurba point kaya karamba fulfill taw ba amtang puthoro ai MLA oi topic ke so far not ngasi bokta BJP ki manifesto da Yauriba Mayam Sindo, fulfill Amatang Sibakto Hungamdri. There is a lease of lies in the manifesto of BJP. I was even came like Tribuni, Aduga, Miki, Sineshi, the land, Tauxanba, Tauropa, it's a private company. It is not a public company. They should understand. BJP Thamban Sanglen, Manipur state, they should understand. BJP Amit Shah, Modi ji, they should understand it is a private company. It's not a public undertaking company or public company. It is a private company. Aduga private company, migi atmosphere the thing jalaga disturb tawraga nation sida lan lamjingi. Adaina topa wafam asida to the point the laksarabada. It's a masi lamdam masida thoiba laibak asida thoi. Particularly Manipur the Toib issue Mayam Singh Masi digression to the Akogi public attention Akogi Pazagi Tawudaba Tabak Mayam Tawdaba. It's a vendetta type. Akogi parties the Maran Tajalaga, Makogi parties Apavasava, Adigumba blind game politics, Sugumba digression to Alice of the D3. 1D4 digression, 1D4 diversion. Akoigi failures of the BJP. They are diverting the issues, the failures of everything. the failures to give jobs to the youth. They are diverting the issues. The issues of inflation, they are diverting the issue. It's a diversion. Diversion the issues of the failure. That diverting the leads of failures of the BJP, both in the center and the state. And again, distortion. India ki freedom struggle mayam, adagi adugumba leaders mayam sing. India haujik leiriba Modi ji, Amit Shah pokringai dagi India ki freedom struggle dagi aikhoi ki National Herald hairiba freedom adigumba struggle da achauba thodang laurakpa mayamna respect taunariba ikai khumnariba sigumba National Herald sibu ngasai masigi history. When there is the history of India, then there will be history of Congress. When there is the history of Congress, then there will be history of India. Asigumba aikhoigi the history of Congress is a history of India. The history of India is a history of akhoigi Congress party. Masigi freedom struggle asina singmo mayam sigi distort taunaba thugainaba mayam honarakpa mayam dugi adugi sar sitneba Congress and our leader Gandhi families, Rahul ji, Sonia Gandhi ji, and Priyanka Gandhi, Bhadra, so and so forth. The families of Gandhi who brought our independence. Asugmo mayam sing disturbed or distortion akoi history mayam. Congress ki history mayam taunuraba adigumba attack to ne. Maramadunai masigi D3 se. This is their policies. Aduna masida blame tauriba state ki aina clarification ma taujaningi se. Aran ba yumpham da prajada lan haijan binu. Ngan haibi riba Supreme Court case lai to Supreme Court case laite. Adagi court ki saman tarokpa laite Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi da. Saman laite any court amna saman laite. Court tang kun mga da hearing loiraga madugi poto lep kani aikhoina adugi protest tawningai darkar laite ga haibu. That is wrong. It's totally wrong. So aduna khangdra kati khoi ngangbi da na fai. Maramdi khangdana ngangba leaders mayam. Khangdana ngangba leaders mayam sin nga sidi Manipur ba pumtoi to re kaino. Blaming to the Congress party and knowing nothing. There is no the role of the Congress party and they are blaming to the Congress party. Congress party the sum time naba. So it's a very unfortunate. Madu khangdana ngangbi genu adugumba honorable MLA BJP ki party migi national party migi leader oraga ngasai gi hekta karigumba khara lamsam ngangbodo madu state tasu related oraktana ngasai gi state ki issue mayam da pungang da ngang da ngasidi Manipur loire president rule. This is president rule. Popular government namadagi turn to president rule. You see the situation here in the state for the last 2 years. It is going to complete on 3rd May. It is going to 2 years on 3rd May 2025. So, akoi ngasi Manipur da akoi hingbagi asakari lady. What is the future of our youth? Naharul sinsigi asakari lady. Gese sigi double engine. Even the president rule is also BJP rule. Is a BJP government. Aduga khangda dana Congress suntai na base. Right from the beginning of this government till now, they are blaming to the Congress. Ado asugumba singang bidana basu aina clarification ama tanja asi National Herald case ka mari lena adigumba hairak pasida ina thamjari. Thank you.
We can take some questions.
Yes.